From Actionable Ops, here's how to paste an image into Hermes and have it actually see with Vision and Image Paste. The flow is dead simple. Copy an image to your clipboard, a screenshot, a chart, a meme, an error message you snipped from a PDF. Hit /paste or press Ctrl+V. The image attaches with a little badge that says Image #1. Type your question, press Enter. The image goes to the model as a Vision content block, and the agent reads it. You can attach multiple images before sending. Each gets its own badge. Press Ctrl+C to clear them. Images get saved to Hermes Home/Images as PNG files with timestamped names, so you can look at them later. 3 ways to paste. /paste is the most reliable explicit fallback. It just checks your clipboard. Ctrl+V or Cmd+V works as a layered flow, text first, then native clipboard, then image. And on Mac, screenshot temp paths and file://URLs actually attach as images automatically instead of dumping the path text into the input. Platform setup is small. On Mac, nothing. Hermes uses OSA script, which ships with the OS. On Linux X11, install xclip. On Wayland, install wl-clipboard. On WSL2, it just works via PowerShell. On a remote SSH session, paste is out because the clipboard does not cross the wire. One slick VS Code trick. If you run the TUI inside VS Code or Cursor or Windsurf on Mac, run /terminal setup. It installs the recommended send sequence bindings, so Cmd+Enter, Cmd+Z, and Shift+Cmd+Z work the way you expect instead of being intercepted by the IDE. The reason this matters. Vision pairs naturally with browser automation, with the agent reading screenshots of pages where the accessibility tree falls short. It also pairs with terminal output, when an error renders only as an image. And it is the easiest way to hand the agent a design comp or a whiteboard photo and have it work from that. That's Hermes Vision and Image Paste, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.